Never hurt your mother, never disrespect her, even in anger, never abandon her. Remember, she is the only one who loved you before you even took your first breath. She carried you for months, felt your every move, and endured pain just to bring you into this world. Can you imagine the depth of that love? She sacrificed her dreams so you could pursue yours. But let me ask you, have you ever looked into her eyes and seen the silent prayers, the unspoken worries? Have you ever realized that every wrinkle on her face is a testament to the battle she fought for you? Never forget, she is more than the person who gave you life. She is the guardian of your soul, the keeper of your secrets, your anchor in this chaotic world. Make her happy, cherish her. For in her heart lies the purest form of love you will ever know. If you agree with me, write yes in the comments.